Get a little barrel view.
Yeah.
I wish I can like
Tape it down.
Yeah, that'd be pretty sweet. Just like tape it right there.
Oh man.
You're looking at the barrel.
Yeah.
I was gonna try to figure out a way to do that, but you can't. I gotta have a mount. I'm not gonna build a mount. Maybe for next scenario.
See a ref coming. Right up the path.
Sure, it's a ref.
Yep.
He better not call a game like last time.
Yeah, I know. Is it the same guy?
Yeah, better not. I'd shoot him. If it was.
Yeah, really.
Get out of here. We don't want you. Yeah, it's a ref.
Nothing, just a ref.
Yeah, that camera's pretty good. Look at that. Yeah, that sticker I got. I put that sticker on. I got one on my phone too. I got an order and they gave me a bunch.
It's like 12:15ish.
Yeah.
Brad.
Yeah, he's in there.
Brad's in there.
Hey, you're just sitting there.
Nope. Okay. There you go. That one's really good. Yeah, I hear him.
Yeah, they're coming from somewhere.
And that was my cub. Sorry. Actually, I almost fell over once. I don't know what to do with this. Just hanging low, just being a problem. Bring it back around there. I don't.
I want to get some action. You know, shooting. Got a full battery, so I'm going all day. I want to show my friend this. Right there. Yeah, I dove out.
We got some movement on the trail.
On the trail?
Yeah, on your trail.
My trail?
Yeah, Spider. No, you're.
Yeah,